Hey Maddie, this is Amy Amond. I will be your homebound teacher, and these will be kind of hopefully how I can send you math notes as I get them. Miss Page looks like she kind of fills in everything for you, so what I'll do is just kind of explain them, and if there are things that you do need to write down, I will do that for you as well. So the first thing that we're going to be talking about are these are like scatter graphs or scatter plots, which I'm sure you have seen before. And if you look up here, there are three different types. There's a positive correlation, meaning whatever is right here going positively, this will also go positively. So for example, working at a stadium, the number of tickets sold, the more that I sell them, the more seats are taken. So that's a positive correlation. You can kind of draw a trend line on it. The next one in the middle is a negative correlation. So as this one increases, this one decreases. Okay, so you can kind of like see right here, it goes to like a negative trend line. You can kind of naturally draw that line on there. And an example of this one would be like, say I spent more money, that's why I'm spending more and more going this way, but my bank account is going down, down, down. Okay, and then this one right here, no correlation. The points you can see are just kind of everywhere, and nothing can really be determined by that data. So if you look at the definitions, you can see a scatter plot is a graph with points plotted to show a possible relationship. A correlation describes the relationship, and a trend line can help you predict what might happen. So, looking at that first example, it says Daniel mows grass during the summer to earn money. The graph shows the total number of lawns mowed so far. Using the information, predict the total number of lawns mowed by the end of the 7th week. So, we can tell from these plots that it's going to be a positive correlation, seeing how that it goes up. And just knowing and just kind of seeing as far as the dots and where they are placed, we can kind of assume that it would be at the 40 mark. So like right here where the 7 is, we would go over here. I know you know how to read a graph, and there's 40. All right, the next one says make a scatter plot for the given data, draw a trend line, and describe the correlation as positive, negative, or none. So this is pretty easy. So they put fat for the X, and then calories for the Y. So the more fat that there is, the more calories, unfortunately, there are. So they just plotted it, and they could tell that it was a positive correlation. So the scatter plot part is the dots, the trend line is the line, and the correlation is what direction that line is going, or no correlation at all, as you can see up there at the top where the dots are just everywhere. Okay, so your first homework assignment will be over this. I will give you a copy of the notes whenever I see you today, but I just kind of wanted to do a quick overview. I think this is going to be simple for you, and I will see you soon.